Taberna Pro Medicum. The application of the software. Welcome to another tutorial from Taberna Pro Medicum. In our software you will find the control bar at the top and the scan selection on the right. There you can create a new folder, rename a folder or delete a folder with a right click and also set a default folder where the images will be saved. To open an image you have two possibilities. You can go with a double left click on the respective name when the large picture opens, or below with a simple left mouse click on the thumbnail. If you have opened your image, now start here with the 4-line measurement. It is particularly suitable for measuring the size and depth of a nevus or a skin tumor, for example. You move the lines with a mouse click. If you grab the corner, you move 2 lines at once. If you grab the middle of the line, now you move only one. If you want to make a very fine adjustment, you can also move the lines using the control pad. The color of the arrows indicates which line you want to move. A left mouse click on the point in the middle and the colors change. Now you would move, in this case, the yellow lines above. To save you different measuring points, if you are satisfied, you have 6 possibilities numbered from 1 to 6. If you click on an already saved measuring point with the right mouse button, you have the option to delete the measuring point. In addition to further measuring functions are available, the freehand measurement where you can measure the length, or in the case of a round structure, the circumference. Hold down the mouse button and slowly start to draw the line. If you want to measure a distance or an angle, the next icon is the right one. Again, hold the left button with the mouse and a straight line is formed. To the right of the scan, you can read both the distance and the angle degree. The icon one field further is the freehand shape. Go back into the image, hold down the left mouse button and draw a freehand shape. If you leave the end open and simply release the mouse button, the program automatically connects the beginning and end with a straight line. One icon further, you can set the density measurement and the automatic contour measurement. The average, minimum and maximum skin thickness as well as the contour length and the dermis density in percent are indicated here. Clicking on the eraser also deletes the measurements. To extend or correct your data about the patient, this paper sheet-like icon is the right thing to do. A click on it opens a window. There you have the possibility to enter the examination data to read the recording data exactly, but you cannot change them. You can add other image recordings, for example via the Firefly camera, or also histological images. The next two icons refer to printing. Once the image is printed directly on your default printer, the second icon opens the print preview where you can design the whole thing according to your wishes. One field further, you have the option to export the image to a data carrier or to copy it via the clipboard by right-clicking. One field further, you have the scan loop. Here you can select individual images from the scan. If, for example, you have slipped a little at the end of the scan, you can go back in the images sphere and pick out the one that is optimal for you. How many images are saved depends on how long you have designed the ultrasound scan. The B stands for B scan for image you are currently seeing. One field further is the skin density and contour measurement. The window you saw earlier opens again. One more field is the skin analysis. Here a window opens with the data like the thickness, the density, epidermis, the entrance echo. The phase correction icon straightens the image, making it much easier to measure. With the next icon you can display the averaged A scan. The smaller red cross closes the current image, but the software itself remains open. One line higher you will find the icon for displaying a single image on the far left. One icon further to the right you can display two ultrasound images arranged one below to the other, and one field further next to each other to document and display progression. The cogwheel one further to the right stands for the settings. Then our big icon Start Scan known to you to start a new examination. The color scale is a DUBcutis, once in the green tones as shown here and once in black and white. The large red cross terminates the software. If you click the left mouse button on BTPM logo, our contact data will open. There you can reach us if you have questions, the address and the phone number is deposited. With a right click you open the help to read everything. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Your team, Taberna Paramedicum.